What if I told you your shop is hemorrhaging tens of thousands of dollars in lost revenue just because leads are slipping through the cracks? The average repair order now exceeds $4,667. How many of those can you afford to lose? On top of that, 22% of vehicles are being totaled, reducing the number of repairable opportunities. That means every repairable vehicle is gold, but only if it lands in your shop, not your competitors. So let's get real. How many estimates and leads have gone cold because no one followed up? How many customers went elsewhere because they didn't hear back fast enough? Here's the truth. Speed wins. Right now, you're losing that race. Enter Turbo Lead Conversion, a system designed to turn leads into revenue fast. No more wasting opportunities, no more excuses. Here's how it flips the script. 98% open rate SMS, text, video messages puts your shop front and center instantly. Live agents step in, engage, and book appointments on your behalf. Real people closing real business. Automated follow-ups. Keep customers locked in so they don't slip away. And the best part, it plugs right into your shop's management system. 24/7 lead conversion means while you're fixing cars, we're driving work to your shop. Think about this. 45% of insurance claims now come from vehicles over 7 years old. Are you grabbing that business? Customer pay work makes up 25% of sales. Are you cashing in on it? Most shops have zero strategy for converting leads. Turbo Lead Conversion is the strategy. We track results, you see the ROI. And if we don't deliver, you don't pay. So the real question isn't, can you afford this? It's how much longer can you afford to keep losing work? Time to stop bleeding leads. Visit our website and claim your free discovery call to see if this is right for you.